Welcome to Unfold Data Science, friends. This is Aman here and I am a data scientist. In this video, we are going to understand what is the meaning of Global In-House Center for Analytics. Okay? Why organizations set up a Global In-House Center? What are the pluses and minuses of working in these centers? And what are the locations where GICs are typically set up? Okay, we will know all these things one by one. GIC, standing for Global In-House Center, is a center of an organization typically in a low cost zone, okay, and hence India is one of the favorite location for many organizations to set up their GICs, Global In-House Centers. Out of these Global In-House Centers, many centers are dedicated just for analytics, okay. So there are few organizations, I am not going to take any name, which are there in Bangalore or Hyderabad, which are there in Chennai, Pune, who has their Global In-House Center of Analytics in India. Okay. Now why companies set up this in India or low cost zone, guys? The reason is low labor cost, right? Low infra cost, and all the costing part is low and skilled labor is available, right? That is the primary reason organizations set up. What is the purpose of setting these GICs? So these GICs will not cater to any other organizations. So suppose for organization ABC, there is a GIC in Bangalore. This GIC will not work for any other organizations. It will not take any other project. Rather, it will work on in-house data only. So if ABC Bank has some analytical requirements, it will send those requirements to GIC. GIC will take the required data and work on those requirements. You will see many openings in these kind of companies, okay? You will see many openings and they pay good, guys. They pay good than most of the service companies and it will be little above than market standard, I will say. Okay? So it's a very good place to work on actually if you see. You will learn things, you will know one business in detail, your pay scale also will be good, but there are some negative aspects of that as well, okay? So one thing you should remember, guys, every time you work with one industry for longer period of time, right? For example, if you are working with a retail industry for a very long period of time, you might not have any understanding of how manufacturing industry works, okay? And if you work in, let us say, manufacturing industry or finance industry for a very long time, you might not have a understanding of basics of telecom industry also. So that is the downside of it, guys. At the same time, you might have a very sound understanding of the domain you are working on, in-depth understanding of this domain. But many a times, you know, if you see the longer perspective, right, longer career, then many times you might need to have some point of view, some opinions on different industries, use cases, right? So that is one thing you need to take care. Other things are money wise or experience wise or learning wise or even culture wise, I will say. These GICs are very good. They offer you very good salary, very good perks, kind of good culture. Some of my friends are working in there. So they say that, you know, there are many perks on top of these salaries, work is good, but few things that I told just now, you need to just take care of that thing. You should not be associated for a very long period of time. There is no harm in that, but still, if you have exposure to many domains, it is always good for you. So I hope you understood, guys, what is GIC, what is purpose of GIC for analytics. So GICs are also for, you know, data centric GIC. So it will do everything related to data, or analytics centric, it will do only analytical activities, right? So you would have understood what is GIC, what is GIC for analytics, what happens there. It will not accept any other work apart from its own organization's work, okay, in-house work, okay, and then pluses or minuses of working there. So I hope this video was useful for you guys. Please give me a thumbs up if so. Give me all the comments, all the likes if you like this video. I'll see you all in the next video, guys. Till then, wherever you are, stay safe and take care.